this is a comparison for easeRisk between cloud and data center and its features. You will find this page on the easeRisk documentation page and this page here. It's listed by the topmost functionalities. So for the schemes, we have more or less the same functionality, scheme definitions. easeRisk right now only lacks for the configuration of default columns. This is already developed and will come in the next version within this quarter. Same is for boards. That also here the quick filter measures and default columns is not available, will also come in the version 1.3. So the measures for risk is already, the quick filter for risk is already existing in cloud as well. Then for the risk register, for the overview table of the risk, there is only difference that today you cannot modify the workflow state in the inline text, but also this one will come in this quarter with next version. The risk matrix view is exactly the same. There's no difference. All the matrix views are available, like the single, the compare, and the merged one. And the top risk report also offers the top risk listings and the graph with the duration over time. The moment the dashboard gadgets are only available in data center. We don't have here the gadgets in cloud in the moment in place, as the gadget development is a special topic for Jira, special problem. We are not at this point here right now to support this. And for the formula editor, also here, similar to easeRisk, ease requirements, we would need here special internal functionality of Jira, which we cannot access with our environment. So this formula editor is not available in cloud, but we found a way how you can support this via the Jira automation to calculate values when issue content is modified. Also, this Jira automation gives you very huge flexibility, as you not only bound to the current issue you modified, you can also consider, for example, issues linked to it or issues which in a certain parent-child relation. And finally, for the export, there is the same export available. Only this board and view names, which we added lately to data centers, also not available at the moment. Also here, the next version will provide this.
So overall, with 1.3, there will be almost everything similar to data center and cloud.
Exactly, okay. Exactly. Except of the gadget and the formula editor, this is not yet in place.
Yeah.
For the topic of the migration, we have the Jira migration tool will provide you all the ways to migrate the Jira issue and the risk with all the link relations. So there is, let's say, nothing missing, but the configurations of easeRisk, like the boards, like the schemes, this is not yet existing. There's no migration solution in place. At the moment, it would ask you to create this by hand. I don't know how many schemes and boards you have in place. I think this is, for the moment, an acceptable way to go ahead.
Yeah.
And maybe also to rethink them and maybe recreate them in a maybe proper way, which maybe fits to latest ideas.
Exactly. When the point comes for migration, maybe some projects we don't have to migrate because they might be ending soon. The ones which will continue until a later point in time would be needed the migration. The tickets will be anyway transferred. It's only the boards that has to be then created manually. So it is not a very big manual effort, I would say.
Okay, this is all I can share with for easeRisk. Any question here?
I think easeRisk is way lighter than easeRequirement, so it's quite straightforward, and we see with 1.3 most of the activities are same, most of the features will be similar. Gadgets and formula editor will be worked upon. Looks good so far.